Hello everybody and welcome to another Python tutorial, and today we're going to do a little bit of code for rounding numbers up and rounding them down as well. So let's start. So we have to import first of all the math module from Python. So we can do that by typing import math. I'm going to put a little print statement on here and print out something that will describe it. Rounding numbers. Okay, so that will describe that. Put that in braces there. Okay, so number one, I'm going to call this. Number one is equal to float. And I'm going to put input here, so we're going to get some text from the input. So I'm going to say enter, say a decimal number. Enter a decimal number. That's why I put float before the input. So if the user enters a decimal number, the program will be able to handle it. So there we go. Okay, and entry one here is equal to input. Okay, so we're going to get some more input, and we're going to ask the user with this if they want to round the number up or down. So round up or down. Round up or down, and that's going to be yes, whoops, or no. So we want to know if the user wants to round the number up or round the number down. Okay, so if entry one is equal to yes, I'm going to put if entry one dot lower, okay, is equal to a y. So it could be if it's a capital Y, that will just change it into lowercase so the program can understand it. So if the entry is y, then we're going to do some things. So we're going to print the number has been rounded up. Okay, so the number's been rounded up. And then we're going to print using math here that we imported before. .ceil here. This stands for ceiling, as in upwards. And then we're going to put number one. Okay, so it's going to round it up. Else, if anything else is entered, like the n, we're going to print number has been rounded down. Okay, so again we're going to use the math there, so print math, and this time to round it down we use floor, because floor is down there. So to round the number down we use .floor. Number one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, we're just going to save that, and now we're going to run the program. Enter a decimal number. I'm going to enter something like 4.2. Okay, I want to round it up or down. I want to round it up to the next whole number, so I'm going to put yes. And there we go, that's the next whole number is 5. Okay, let me just run that again. And let's try it the other way. So, enter a decimal number. Okay, 1.9. Okay, that should do. Round up or down? No, so that's going to round it down. And there we go, it's rounded it down to 1. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie yet again. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and I will see you in another video. And remember to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.